power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon in bright white. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, body color freedom top 3-piece hardtop, heated front seats, remote start system, 42,000 miles in the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rock track heavy-duty part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 104768.